an entrepreneur, you embark on your journey with noble intentions, right? Of course you do. You want to earn more money, build a profitable business, and scale your company to new heights. Plus, you want to be able to live the life you desire due to your success, right? Here's what I know. Your vision is more than likely clear. Your goals are ambitious and your determination is unwavering, right? But what happens when you don't achieve your business goals despite your best effort? What happens when you've arrived at the end of the month, quarter, even the end of the year, and yet your business hasn't significantly improved? You may be left disappointed and wondering why. Trust me, I've been there. And here's what I know. There are clear reasons why this often happens for service professionals. Let's discuss them and what you must do to break this cycle.
Welcome to the Say Yes to Profit Show. I am Octavia Conner, a CFO who helps service-based entrepreneurs implement the financial systems, strategies, and solutions to increase cash flow, reduce taxes, generate wealth, and say yes to profits. Say Yes to Profits is a full-service accounting firm based in Atlanta, Georgia, but we service clients nationwide. Again, welcome to the Say Yes to Profits Show.
Hello, Profit Squad. Did you know that amongst every good intention you set lies a common stumbling block for service professionals? That is, drum roll please, bad financial execution. The disconnect between ambition, intentions, and execution can hinder your progress and prevent your business from reaching its fullest potential. Now, no matter how much money you want to earn, how much money you want to keep, and the heights you want to reach in business, if you don't implement a complete profit plan and execute it strategically, chances are you may not achieve your business goals. And who wants that? The problem many service professionals have is a lack of knowledge on how to execute in a way that improves their business significantly. So let's dive deep into 3 reasons service professionals face this challenge, and we're gonna explore actionable steps to improve financial execution for your business so that you win in business. That's what it's all about. The first challenge, a lack of financial literacy. One of the primary reasons service professionals, such as consultants and attorneys and coaches, struggle with financial execution is a lack of a deep understanding of financial principles and financial statements. You may have an excellent service, right? You may have a strong marketing demand, but without a solid grasp on financial management, on cash flow analysis, budgeting, risk assessment, and financial statements, you may find it challenging to make wise and informed business decisions. And then the decisions you make, they don't help you, they actually hurt you. Have you ever experienced this? Well, here's the thing. To improve, I want you to invest time in enhancing your financial literacy. How do you do that? First of all, attend workshops, read more books, take online courses, and seek the guidance of a proven CFO. The more you educate yourself as the business owner, the better equipped you'll be to manage your finances effectively. The better equipped you'll be to not make emotional decisions, but make data-driven decisions. Now, we're having a masterclass that's going to help you improve your financial literacy. It's going to help you manage your finances effectively, increase cash flow, and of course, say yes to profits in business. I want you to secure your seat today by going to sayyesToProfits.com/masterclass. sayyesToProfits.com/masterclass. Take this first step so that your business becomes massively successful. The second challenge, a lack of strategic financial planning. Here's the thing. Sometimes service professionals focus heavily on the operational aspects of their business, and they overlook the important strategic financial planning. If this is you, yes, you may have your eyes set on short-term goals, but you lack a long-term financial roadmap. Now, this can lead to so many challenges, such as insignificant capital allocations, missed investment opportunities, or the inability to adapt to changing market conditions. Why would you position yourself like that? You're doing it unknowingly. So let's address it. The first thing I want you to do, number one, is prioritize strategic planning alongside your business goals. Number two, develop a clear vision of financial growth. Assess your risks, understand your opportunities, create a roadmap that aligns with financial ambition and that will overall grow your business strategically. And number three, review your finances weekly. Forecast your business weekly. Make sure that you stay agile so that you respond to a market change quickly. The third challenge, poor cash flow management. Are you managing your money or is your money managing you? Here's what you need to understand. Cash flow is your business's superpower. Unfortunately, even with that, many service professionals struggle with managing their cash flow properly. Now, you may face these same issues. Now, these may show up in different ways, so you need to get clear on some of the red flags. Number one, it may be that your customers delay their payments. You may have a high overhead cost. You may be short on cash flow frequently. Some months and some weeks and some days, everything is okay. And then unfortunately, the next days, weeks or months, cash is few and far between. You may be unable to invest in the growth of your company, so it hinders your growth. And you may be unable to receive a consistent CEO salary. All of this ties directly to poor cash flow management. Here's what you need to understand. Poor cash flow management can lead to so many challenges and it will hinder your ability to grow your business, right? You want to make sure that your company is financially stable at all times. So to improve this, I need you to implement effective cash flow management strategies. Let me give you a few. Number one, monitor your receivables and your payables closely. Number two, navigate favorable payment terms with your suppliers and your clients. Number three, reduce expenses and operate on a lean budget, all while maintaining a healthy cash reserve. Your cash reserve should be at least 3 to 6 months. Number four, proactively manage your cash flow. Forecast the next several weeks and months in your business to ensure that you have financial stability. And number five, of course, hire a CFO. Listen, as you navigate the role of entrepreneurship going towards success, sound financial management is crucial for bridging the gap between ambition, intentions, and execution. Okay? You should immediately address common challenges like the ones we discussed and more. Do not operate your business with blinders on. You don't know what's going on financially. You're just hoping, praying, and wishing that you generate a profit. Don't wish for this. Don't just hope for this. Implement the financial strategies, the financial systems, solution, and have the financial support to ensure that it happens to you. I need you to take proactive steps today. By doing so, you can overcome all financial challenges. You can make sure that you have the right financial execution in place and you can build the business of your dreams. Now, one actionable step you can take immediately to improve your financial execution and achieve your business goals is to schedule a complimentary discovery session with moi, okay? This session will provide you with valuable insight, identify areas you must improve, and help you develop a customized financial strategy that aligns with your business goal. Remember, addressing financial challenges is vital to unlocking your entrepreneur potential, your full entrepreneur potential, and building a thriving, sustainable business. So definitely schedule your discovery session today by going to sayyestheprofits.com/session. If you have any questions, any comments, leave those below. Also, make sure that you join me for the upcoming masterclass, okay? The link is below, sayyestheprofits.com/masterclass. Make sure that you are in the seat at the masterclass, okay? Until next time, say yes to profits. Toodles.
Thank you for watching the Say Yes to Profit show. Make sure you download the resources given in this episode and follow me on Instagram at Octavia Conner CFO. And always remember, say yes to profits.